what they can do. Looks like they're also trying to get that one in the corner, while 4410B is playing a little bit of defense right now. So they're going for a defensive strategy, while it looks like 536C may be going for that offensive strategy. 333A is really filling up that stacker right now. It looks like they got about 7 or 8 cubes in there, so let's see what they can do with that. And it looks like 1200F is pushing some cubes around, maybe trying to make it cleared out for their partner, maybe making it a little easier, or trying to play a little bit of defense against that blue alliance.
Okay.
All right, 536C, it looks like right in front of me they got about 7 cubes, and they're going to grab that 8th one that's in the corner. Let's see what they can do. And it looks like over there we got 333A also putting in a stack. Let's see what both of them do. And it looks like that one falls down, unfortunately. But 536C, they're going to try to place that other one in. And the 1 cube knocks down a couple cubes as well. But it looks like they're at least still going to get a bit of a stack out of it. Yep, so they get 3 oranges in there, so nothing too horrible. And we got 4410B, and they're putting in 5 green cubes in there. Yes, they do, and they do it successfully. All right, 536C is trying to fill up their stacker, trying to make up for that stack that they might have dropped right there. We got 30 seconds left in this driver control period. And all the robots are still fighting. There's still a chance for each of these robots. Autonomous was a tie, so it's really anyone's game right now. 536C has, it looks like, about 6 cubes in there. And 4410B has 1 cube. They're trying to lift up their lift. Maybe they're putting one in one of the towers over there, multiplying those green cubes. And 536C, let's see if they can get their stack in there. And it looks like they are able to. Looks like they got 7 in there, and that is the end of qualification match 3. What a great match.
We have a y-intercept of 4 for this equation. So that's 4. And if I plug in 0, if I wanted to know what would make this.
So again, we need you to report to the queuing table because we don't have anyone going around to tell you that there is a match. So please make sure that you're following along with how our tournament is running right now. It may be running a little faster, maybe running a little slower, and it looks like it's running a bit faster. So please be on the lookout for that. Remember, if you're not on a field and we're starting without you, then you won't even get credit for the match.
0. And so we have our first line here.
So right now on the FBCR field, we're missing from the Blue Alliance 321H Havoc. So we need 321H to please report to the FBCR field for qualification match 4.
I wish I could change colors, but I'm just going to change colors here. So we have a y-intercept of 6 and kind of the same slope. What's going to make this piece equal to 0 right here? Well, 1/3 times 18 is 6, right? So 6 would get me 6 minus 6. So we have this over here, which is 18, common 0. And so we have this line here. And so we're being asked to find
all right, and we got 321H on the field.
This piece right here that's in between the 2 lines.
So we're going to introduce the teams here real quick for qualification match 4. On the red alliance, we have 254B, the Cheesy Poofs out of San Jose, California, and 254W, Cheesy Poofs, also from San Jose, California. So the 2 Cheesy Poof teams are trying to line up right now in this match. And on the blue alliance, we have team 5509C, the VHS Paladins out of Appleton, Wisconsin, and 321H Havoc from Skokie, Illinois.
So then
we're going to be starting this match here very shortly. 321H, it looks like they're just lining up, doing the last little bit of adjustments. And when I get the thumbs up from our head ref over here, we're going to start this match.
That should be the answer. All right, next problem. What is the absolute difference? So
all right, and it looks like here both alliances are ready, so we're going to start autonomous here in 3, 2, 1, go.
The difference means subtraction between the mean and the median of the first 110 numbers. Well, okay, so
all right, so it looks like here we got just a couple cubes in autonomous, and it looks like red has more cubes. So from my assumption here, red wins autonomous, so they get that 6 points and 2 extra purple cubes.
The 2 numbers.
And then we are ready for driver control here in 3, 2, 1, go.
If I start at 1.
All right, we're starting to see a little bit of deploys from the Cheesy Poof teams, and we're also seeing deploy from 321H. And it looks like here, 254W is really picking up a lot of cubes very fastly, but not to be outdone, we have 321H also picking up a lot of cubes very fast. It looks like this could be a very high-scoring match with a lot of big stacks here. 254W placing a big stack right now. It looks like we have about 8 cubes there, and they do it successfully. All right, and their partner 254B, it looks like they have about 5 or 6 cubes in their tray. It looks like they're going for a lot of just greens and purples. Not to be outdone, 3-2-1-H. They look like they're putting in a huge sack, and it just falls over.
My range is
254W right in front of me. It looks like here they have a few cubes, so they're going to try to place it into one of the zones right now.
So
and we got 5509C, the Paladins. They're trying to put in a cube right in the corner right now. They got a big stack going on over there.
Average of them all.
And 254W, it looks like they're getting another stack in. They got about 8 in there. And it looks like the Paladin stack did kind of fall apart. So
the difference is 0. All right.
And it looks like there's some parts on the field right now, a bit of chain. I'm not sure for what robot we got, but we got just less than 30 seconds left in the match. And it looks like here, one of those robots, I believe, on the Blue Alliance, it looks like it's not moving too well, so I'm not sure if it's a dead battery or just lost connection on the field. And it looks like 254W picking up a few extra cubes and a little bit of defense played by the Blue Alliance. They're kind of pushing each other around. We got under 10 seconds left in this match.
Is 5. And we're trying to find the area of the rectangle.
All right, and that's it for qualification match 4.
Okay, well, that means that this has to be 6, because 6 plus 9 is 15. And then this is 4, so this is 4 because E and D share the sideline right here, this vertical sideline.
All right, and we got results for qualification match 3. It looks like the Red Alliance ends up beating the Blue Alliance in a low-scoring affair, 13-10. All right, over here on the Mercury field, we got qualification match number 5.
Tossed 4 times. What is the probability of landing heads at least 3 times? Express your answer as a common fraction. Well, the first thing I need to know is how many different outcomes are possible. And since I have a coin, it's going to be head or tails, right?
All right, I got a thumbs up, so we're going to start this match here in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, now on the Red Alliance, we have Team 1200C Technical Breakdown from Neenah, Wisconsin, and 6425B Off-Brand Robotics from Green Bay, Wisconsin. And on the Blue Alliance, we have 5509B VHS Knights and 321J Short Circuit from Skokie, Illinois. And it looks like here the Red Alliance wins the autonomous bonus, so they're going to get that 6 points and 2 purple cubes.
That's 4 heads. That works.
And we're ready to start driver control here in 3, 2, 1, go.
I can have a head.
All right, so all 4 robots, it looks like they're moving around here, and it looks like this could be kind of considered like a Midwest battle right here. 3 teams from Wisconsin and a team from Illinois. So let's see which alliance will prevail after this match. 5509B is really sucking up those cubes right now. It looks like they got about 6 or 7 in their intake. And 1200C has a decent amount. They got a 4 stacked. They're ready to do a quick little dump in the zone. Let's see if they can do it successfully. And it looks like a... Let's see here. 5509B doing a big stack in there. One of the cubes falls down, and a few other cubes fall down as well.
So that means I have a...
There's still a lot of time in this match for those 2 teams to make up those fallen stacks. And it looks like 1200C is trying to pick up another stack right now. It looks like they got 2 in their intake, trying to get that 3rd one. And they do get that 3rd one. They got 4 in their stack right now. And it looks like 5509B is over there on the other corner of the field, just sucking up cubes, really getting a lot of those in. They're going up to another cube, and they're going to place that stack. Let's see if they can get successful with that stack right there.
So what I'm going to do here is...
And it looks like they can at least get 4 on a stack right there, so not a bad number right there. And 1200C dropped another stack, unfortunately. But like I said, there's still time to make it up. In Vex Robotics, really, there's no comfortable score. You can really make up a match just by 1 stack. And it looks like we have less than 30 seconds left in this match. Looks like one of the teams is losing chain over there, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect the rollers or not. A couple cubes trying to fly at me. I think 1200C is trying to attack me with those cubes right now. We got just about 10 seconds left in this match here. It looks like 321J is putting a green one in, and 5509B puts a purple one in. So we got a couple in the tower as well. We're going to do the final seconds, and it looks like that's the match.
I'm cheating. Please forgive me.
So it looks like 5509B was able to get 1 more purple cube in their zone. Or I mean in one of the towers right there. Speaking of which, qualification match 4, it looks like here we have the Red Alliance dominating the Blue Alliance 22-2.
Is 7 times 9. 9 is 3 times 3. So this has a prime factorization of 2 times 3 squared times 7.
All right, we're here on the FBL STEM field for qualification match number 6.
Squared and 6 is 2 times 3. All right, so what am I going to do?
All right, so from the Red Alliance on qualification match 6, we have 5509A, the VHS Crusaders from Appleton, Wisconsin, and 5509G, VHS Cavaliers from Appleton, Wisconsin. So 2 of the VHS teams are teaming up in this match.
Have to share a factor of 2.
Looks like I'm getting a thumbs up, so we're going to start autonomous here in 3, 2, 1, go. And along with the Blue Alliance, we have 1437V, the Patriot Robotics from Calabasas, California. And we have Team 263R from Redwood City, California.
So 2 times 9.
All right. So it looks like there's quite a bit of action here in this autonomous. So it looks like the red is touching that sack, which is going to give it to the Blue Alliance the autonomous bonus. All right. We're getting a thumbs up here.
Okay.
So we're going to start driver control now in 3, 2, 1, go.
So what is the value of N? So what is N missing here? N
All right, so it looks like 263R is actually picking up that stack out of their zone right now, and it's not uncommon to see that. We typically see teams, what they'll do is with small sacks, they'll try to get them out of the corner, and they'll try to pick up more cubes to get an even bigger sack in here. In some of these really competitive matches, I mean, big sacks are really, really key for winning matches. Looks like 5509A, not to be outdone, has another big stack in, and it looks like it just falls over. But they did get the one from Autonomous. They're not touching that one anymore, so that at least they have one big stack. 1437V is putting in a huge stack in their zone.
25.
Looks like we got 10 cubes right there, if I can count correctly.
The equation.
Not sure if I can count correctly.
Y is equal to 9.
All right, let's see here. 5509A, they got another big tray full of cubes. Let's see what they were going to do with it. 263R is filling up their hopper right now with a lot of cubes.
Parallel lines.
5509A is putting the cubes in the zone right now. Let's see what they can do with it. Slow and steady wins the race, and just like that, they get another big stack in. All right, looks like 263R trying to put in one right next to that stack right there. And we got 30 seconds left in the match. Looks like 5509G is trying to play a little bit of defense, trying to shove around, maybe even take some of the cubes away. It looks like they're trying to put one in the tower right now. Let's see what they can do with it. And it looks like here the 263R team has another huge stack in their zone. So they got 2 big stacks. It looks like 5509A is going to try to put in another stack. And it looks like one of their stacks already falls down. We got 5 seconds left in this match. 5509A gets another big stack in. This is going to be a really close match, ladies and gentlemen, a really close one.
So that means I'll have some number 0. So we have 0 is equal.
All right, qualification match number 5 was a very close one. We have the Blue Alliance beating the Red Alliance 17 to 16.
So I get -9 is equal to -1/3 x. Okay.
All right, we're here on the FBCR field for qualification match number 7.
+3.
Been told that controllers need to be down, so I sense that there's an autonomous period that's going to happen soon.
And so I get 27 is equal to x.
Looks like I'm getting a thumbs up, so we're going to start autonomous here. In 3, 2, 1, go. And on the Red Alliance, we have team 53171B, Absolute Zero from Somers, Wisconsin. And we have 254D, the Cheesy Poops, out of San Jose, California. On the Blue Alliance, we have 169Y, the Cavalry from Haverford, Pennsylvania, and 6425C, System Error from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Blue Alliance wins the autonomous, so we're going to start driver control here. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, all 4 of these teams are trying to go after cubes right now. It looks like this team right in front of me, the 53171B, they're really sucking up those cubes fast, but it looks like their partner right now, 254D, is also sucking cubes up very fast. We could be seeing some big stacks here from the Red Alliance. However, the Blue Alliance from 169Y, they're really filling up their hopper right now. They're getting it really, really tall right now.
Okay, so the perfect squares.
254D getting played on a little bit of defense by 6425C, just a little push and shove. And it looks like 169Y is depositing a stack in, and it looks like they do.
So we have
looks like that was a 10 stack right there. 254D is going to come over right by me and try to place his cube in. Let's see if they can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Looks like this could be a really big stack here also from the Red Alliance. So we're looking at a pretty close match here.
Now, I'd be really tempted to put 6.
And let's see if they can get this stack in, and it looks like they do. The Cheesy Poops get it in. And it looks like the partner, they got about 5 orange cubes in, and they just outtake all of those. So let's see what the strategy would be like for them. It looks like they might just be trying to put them in the towers. Maybe they're trying to get different colors. I don't know. And it looks like 169Y with 30 seconds left, trying to put another stack in, but drops both their stacks.
Which means
we got less than 30 seconds left.
I have
169Y is trying to frantically pick up some cubes to try to make up for those drop stacks right now. They're putting in a purple right now. Looks like that's the 53171B, and they do it with that purple cube in the tower. We got about 7 seconds left. Let's see if 254D can put in another big stack. 3, 2, 1, and that's the match, ladies and gentlemen.
Mixture problem, and
in qualification match 6, we have the Blue Alliance prevailing against the Red Alliance, 38 to 29.
We're gonna have the gallons of the whatever we're doing, and we're gonna multiply that by the percent juice.
All right, and this is an announcement for the teams. When you're exiting the field, please exit out of the left. Thank you very much. And we're over here on the Mercury field for qualification match number 8. And it looks like we're going to have a good one here. On the Red Alliance, we have 254F, the Cheesy Poops, out of San Jose, California, and 9144E, the Spartan Axle Twisters, from Somerset, Wisconsin. And on the Blue Alliance, we also have 6001D Pooja from Green Bay, Wisconsin, and 4410C Technocracy Charlie out of Fond du Lac, Wisconsin.
I poured in to my final mixture. And you'll notice that the amount of juice I pour in for my total final mixture will also equal the amount of juice that I poured out of my original mixture. So this is what I really want to figure out, the amount of juice I poured in. So I'm going to call that X. Well, if I have a total of 2 gallons of a mixture.
All right, slight little adjustment on the field, trying to make it a nice, clean, fair battle between these two alliances right now.
Well,
we're seeing some thumbs up here. I'm giving the
50%.
All right, I'm giving the overall thumbs up. So we're going to start autonomous here in 3, 2, 1, go.
Total juice is going to be 1x, one total.
All right, we got 4410C. It looks like they're picking up a lot of cubes right now.
My mixture, my punch, will have 0.5 times 2 minus x. Well, this is equal to 1 minus
all right.
X.
And it looks like
equal to just 1x. Now my final juice, my final juice, I'm going to have 2 gallons, and it's going to be at a mixture of 65%, which means I have a total of 1.3.
All right, so Blue actually had more cubes than the Red Alliance, but because one of the cubes that 4410C was trying to pick up crossed the line, it was an automatic DQ on just the autonomous for the Red Alliance. So that's why the Red Alliance won that match. So they're going to get the 6 points and the 2 purple cubes. I'm getting a thumbs up, so we're going to start driver control here. In 3, 2, 1, go.
So we get 1 plus
all right.
X is equal to 1.3.
So it looks like here we got 4410C. They are zipping around the field right now. This is a fast machine. They're trying to get some cubes in. They're trying to get in another big stack. Well, it looks like here we got 9144E. They're also trying to put in a big stack of their own too. Well, Blue may have more cubes. The Red Alliance does have that autonomous bonus, so it's a really fair match right now and a very close one too. It looks like the Blue Alliance 4410C is trying to put in a stack, and they do that successfully. Getting 8 cubes in there, and they're going around and they're picking up more cubes. They are not done with those stacks right now. 9144E, looks like they're trying to deploy their own sort of stack right now. Let's see if they can do it over there in that corner, and they do successfully. Looks like that's 6 cubes right there, so a very sizable amount. And 4410C, they're trying to put a cube in stack in here. And they do that, 7 stack. They didn't knock over their other stack too, so very well done by them. There's about 40 seconds left in this match here, and it looks like the Red Alliance is trying to get in some other stacks, while Blue, they're going to get in some in the tower right now.
So if she is,
and they get an orange one in there. There's already a green one over on the other side. 9144E, let's see if they can place one in. They get 2 oranges now in the tower with 9144E placing that stack. Let's see if they can do it.
She is going,
and they can.
She's going at 14.
All right, and the Red Alliance is trying to take out orange cube right now, and it looks like 6001D and 254F are really just playing defense against each other.
So my time is equal to.
And 4410C, it looks like 254F does take an orange one out, but 4410C just puts it right back in, ladies and gentlemen. What a smooth move, and it looks like that is the end of the match. Very high offensive match with a little bit of defense flickered in that.
As a mixed number, which means we have to write 3 1/2. always a good idea to reread the last sentence, because the last sentence is how it, or where it tells you how to do, or how it wants the answer.
It looks like here on qualification match number 7, we have the Red Alliance beating the Blue Alliance 13-10.
So I'm going to draw a
Getting
flat
some thumbs up
drawing.
over here on qualification match 9 on the FVL STEM field, getting the overall thumbs up. So we're going to start autonomous here in 3, 2, 1, go.
Triangle.
All right, and on the Red Alliance, we have Team 1200B, the Circuit Breakers, out of Neenah, Wisconsin, and 54547, Lone Lunatics from Mercer, Wisconsin.
For the cylinder, that the height is 3
And it looks like all the robots are sort of at a standstill,
distance from here to
except for that one over in the corner. It looks like Blue wins the autonomous bonus.
height has to be.
So it looks like here we're ready for driver control. Pick up the controllers right now, and we're going to start driver control.
Has a radius too. I'm
In
gonna call that
3,
big
2,
up.
1, go.
So my radius from here to here is going to
And it looks like here on the Blue Alliance we have 9144B, the Spartan Blood Rush from Somerset, Wisconsin, and 6425A,
So that means from here
Air
to here.
2D2 from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Not sure if I pronounced that right,
Now, I know.
but that's okay. It looks like 9144B is trying to get a sack of their own right now.
This line, which means this triangle is similar to this.
And it looks like 54547M is trying to put in a stack also on their red corner. And Blue's trying to put in a stack in their corner. Let's see if they can do it at all. Let's see your 9144B. They're starting to tilt a little bit. Let's see if they can get that stack fully in.
6 as well, which means this height here, here to here, has to be.
And it looks like they do. It looks like there's 6 cubes, a lot of orange cubes in there.
Well, that means that.
So we have 1200B, they're picking up a green cube, and they're trying to put one in the tower right now. Looks like there's some cubes that are kind of blocking them, so they're going to have to try to move out of the way and maybe try to go for a different tower. We have about 45 seconds left in the match, and 9144B is picking up more cubes. They are not finished yet, ladies and gentlemen.
3 over 2.
We got 6425A, they got a few cubes in their intake too.
That's going to be my
So a lot of cubes for the Blue Alliance. Maybe the Red Alliance can make it up with some in the tower. That's what I was seeing 1200B was trying to do, is trying to get some in the tower. And we got just under 30 seconds left.
Volume.
And it looks like both the Blue Alliances, both of those robots have a few amount of cubes, and they both do a drop pretty much at the same time. Very impressive by both of them. A green and an orange get dropped in there. So it looks like there's 2 oranges in the towers and 1 green in the tower. We have just under 5 seconds left, and it looks like this is the end of the match. Another orange one dropped at the last second. 3 oranges in the towers right now, so those oranges are going to be worth a lot of points. All right, and on qualification match number 8, we have the Blue Alliance beating the Red Alliance 50-36.
R squared H. And so let's plug in the radius. So we have volume becomes equal to 1/3 times pi. My radius is 3 over 2 r. And my height is 6r. Well, 6 times this is going to give me 9 over 2r. Sorry, 9, because so we have 9r. All right. So these will cancel out. All right. So we end up with volume.
All right, we're about to start qualification match number 10 here on the FVCR field. And we're going to do a little bit of a team introduction right now. We got on the Red Alliance 83398A Strata from Green Bay, Wisconsin, and 321A, the Java Gods from Skokie, Illinois. And on the Blue Alliance, we have 333R, Los Robos from Skokie, Illinois. And we got 449X,
So our
Ethereal from Riverside, California.
is going to give us
Ethereal, my bad.
4.
I'll try to remember that for next matches.
And then I have my 9r. I still have my pi, and I still have my 1/3. Okay. So now I
All
can
right, all the controllers are dropped, asking for red and
so
blue
that's
if they're
gonna give
ready.
me 3
We're getting thumbs up from both of them, so we're going to start autonomous here in
7.
3, 2,
So
1, go.
Get pi.
All right, 449X doing a huge deploy. It looks like they're going to be a robot that can hold a lot of cubes. They're going for a few cubes right now. They got 4 in their intake. They're going to turn around, see if we can place it in the zone. We only got about a couple seconds left in autonomous, and they do. So Blue Alliance wins the autonomous bonus, so they're going to get 6 extra points and 2 purple cubes. And we are controllers up, and we're going to be ready for driver control here in 3, 2, 1, go.
Factor of 3, so we get 4 over 9.
All right, so we got another nice deploy from 333R.
That and the mixture problem were the toughest two.
All
All
right,
right,
like
last problem.
3-2A might have just
So,
been a little front heavy right there. It
what
looks like they
value
tipped
of
over.
X
Let's
is
see if they can get themselves back up. Looks like
I'm noticing
449X
that
is really trying to intake those cubes very fast right now.
The base and X all the way up to 2 to the 10th. And I
And
want
it looks
the-
like 449X almost tipped over, but they have things that are in the back, and a few teams are doing this where they put some pieces of metal, maybe even some wheels in the back, and what helps is it helps them from preventing tipping. So it's a really good strategy and something that you can easily do, an easy deploy, and it helps you throughout the whole map.
what numbers in between 0 and
449X, they're really trying to get some cubes in right now.
Because if this
And if I'm counting correctly, it looks like that's about 10 cubes right there. Slow and steady wins the race, and that is the motto for 449X as they get that huge stack in. 321H also has a nice size stack. They're going to put it in their corner right now.
So
let's see if they're going to be able to be successful. And 333R is trying to put in an orange cube. 449X almost missed the, or just missed the purple cube from the towers over there. We got about 30 seconds left in this match. Looks like time flies when you're having fun right now. 321A is really trying to put that stack in, and it looks like it's almost all the way up. We got two